what we can tell you is that a third term now has been decided for the NSA Ajit Doval. Now, he remembers a man in charge of India's security, and he continues to remain the NSA. He continues to be on that position. In fact, there is an entire notification to that effect that continues in the new government. That is an NDA government this time, being led by Prime Minister Modi. So we do know that Ajit Doval continues to be the national security advisor in the light of a lot of other important, significant developments that you're looking, remember, in the country. Ajit Doval also continues, remember, to enjoy the trust of the Prime Minister, the reason why he continues to be the NSA. Pragya, this is an official confirmation that you're giving us that the man who's in charge of security in the country, he continues in that post in Modi 3.0.
Absolutely, and I would say there is continuity not just in the cabinet but also in bureaucracy. And Prime Minister has, time and again said that NSA, Mr. Ajit Doval, and also P.K. Mishra, who is Principal Secretary, their tenure has been extended, and they are now reinstated on the very same post. This shows that they are trusted lieutenants of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and they do not, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi would want them to continue, and that is why the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet has ensured that they will be in the system at the very post where they were in Modi 2.0. And in fact, I would say that Mr. P.K. Mishra will be co-terminus with Prime Minister or until further order comes, is what his appointment order says.
Okay.
Apart from that, Mr. Amit Khare and also Tarun Kapoor will continue to be in PMO. And remember, Prime Minister took stock taking of the situation in Jammu and Kashmir, and NSA Ajit Doval was present in that meeting.
Okay.
That was a signal enough that he is being retained. He will continue in Modi 3.0 as well.
All right, Pragya, for the moment, thank you for leading our coverage on that big story, and our eyes will continue to remain focused, remember, on what's been happening, not just when it comes to a lot of ministers, their portfolios, but like Pragya said, also on the bureaucracy. But on